everyone, in front of me is OPPO A57s, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open Messages or any other area where you can input some text, and then once you see your keypad, tap on Settings icon. Now go to Languages and add keyboard. So here you can scroll all the way to find your language, or you can search it with this search button. Mark the language that you want to apply. I picked Hebrew because you will be able to see the difference properly. Now you can remove this previous language, or you can also leave it. Then you will have to switch between languages by tapping on space. But as you can see, if you will pick one language only, this is how quickly and easily it will be applied. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.